finally moving, heading back over the dam wall, this time in my car. The traffic lights are green for us to come through, so I'm gonna go. I'll film while I drive. My gosh, I've done crazy stuff for you the last couple of days. At least no stairs over here, just a lot of water. I'm not sure if the sound is going to come through because I'm plugged into my car. Sorry babes, I'm trying. As you can see, that's the water that I was being splashed with by what the cars were doing. I'm trying to keep in the middle while showing you. I think it stopped raining again. Into the tunnel we go, down the rabbit's hole, Alice in Wonderland. Ta-la-la-la-la-la. And out on the other side, yay! Okay, I need to take off now because a lot of traffic. Love you, bye.